Hello friends, welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change your account name on Windows 10 so that everyone can have a unique login name on your Windows computer. Go to the search menu of your Windows screen and type Control Panel. Open it. Now click on this little drop down here to set your view and set it to large icons. Now come down and click on User Accounts. You will see a screen like this. Click on Change Your Account Name here. Type in your account name here. I'm going to type in TechGetter Videos. And then click on Change Name. Now you will see that your account name has changed to TechGetter Videos. Now go to the Windows search menu and search for Settings and open it. Here you have to click on Account. As soon as you click on Account, your profile will be shown to you. Here you will see your account name with Gmail ID. Now you can set your profile picture. Click on Browse for one and select Profile Picture from your device. Then click on Choose Picture. Your profile picture has been set. With this method, you can easily change the name of your Windows 10 user account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.